So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where you get internship and job updates. So today I have brought you a great opportunity for those who are still in their 7th semester and looking for a great opportunity to start their career as a full stack developer intern. So here I am talking about AI focus internship which is offered by Abstrabit, and they are looking for students who are going to graduate in 2026, and the location they have provided in Bangalore, which is a good location for tier 1 corporate companies, and hopefully you will, if you get selected, you will get a boost in your career. And if I talk about the company, they are innovative AI consulting company which are dedicated to developing cutting edge AI solutions for their clients, and their services include creating custom chatbots, building and managing knowledge bases, and integrating advanced AI ML solution into existing products. So whatever the products they have made, so they are still improving it using AI and machine learnings. All additionally, they are the developer of full stack mobile and web application with AI and ML functionalities, including generative AI. So they have also developed some full stack mobile application in which they are also integrating some AI and ML functionalities, including generative AI, which is currently a top technology in tech field. So if you are a passionate uh, about artificial intelligence and machine learning and are expected to graduate in 2026, so this is a good opportunity for you, and you can kickstart your career as a full stack developer and within a exciting field of AI also. They are seeking a motivated full stack developer intern to join their remote team. So whatever the team will be there, they will be working remotely also. And if I talk about the internship, that will provide you a unique opportunity to gain significant hand-on experience working in real-world client projects and internal tool also. You will be mentored by experienced engineers. So whatever the top engineers in the company will be there, they will be working with AI, and you can also be mentored by them also. And if I talk about the uh, tech the company is using, so they are using Node.js, Python for backend, React and Next.js for frontend, and major cloud platforms are also being used at the company like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Azure also. And they are expecting for a high performing interns, and they can also be strongly considered for full-time position upon successful completion of their degree in 2026. So if you are in your 7th semester and expected to graduate in this year only, so or I can say if you this is your last semester, you can still apply for this job, and after your for completion of the degree, you will get a full-time position here. If I talk about the eligibility, it is clear to you, like you should be a graduate in 2026. You should be in your 7th semester or your in 8th semester, and for backend foundation, you should have knowledge of Node.js or Python. For frontend, you should have React or Next.js. For web fundamentals, they are looking for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and basic concept of RESTful APIs. Core concept, if I talk about, they have mentioned here like databases like SQL and NoSQL, and version control using Git also is important for the core concept. And for in cloud computing, so you should have a basic knowledge of Amazon Web Services or any of the Azure or cloud platform, and in related field of DevOps also. And most important thing that they will be looking in a candidate is the aptitude and teamwork. So if you don't pass the exams also, so they will not let you sit in the interview. So you have to have a strong analytical and problem solving skills coupled with proactive learning attitude and good communication also there, that can benefit you. So if you are interested in this job, I have mentioned the link in the description. Go check it out. If you are graduating in 2026, this is a good opportunity for kickstart your career. Another opportunity that I have for graduates who have been graduated, for them, I have brought a internship from Prudential Health India. So Prudential Health India is hiring for a internship in Mumbai location, and it is a full-time internship. And if I talk about the Prudential, so their purpose is to be a partner of everyone's life and protectors of everyone's future, because they are in a health sector, like they are a health and insurance and asset management company in 24 market in Asia and Africa also, with 18 million of customers. And they are looking for engineers who are eager to learn, experiment, and contribute in real world system and in a fast paced environment. What this opportunity can give you, so this internship will give you a hand on experience across multiple technologies domain, and you will have the opportunity to expect and learn in contributing with machine learning, artificial intelligence development, security operations, and testing depending on the project needs. So whatever the project will be needing, you will be accordingly move to that technology also, and you will be working closely with the engineer, designers, and product managers and architects to support the design, development, and scaling of PHI's health products. So whatever the products they will be having, you will be working closely with their engineers to manage their products. And as an engineer, your day-to-day task will be to maintain and enhance CI/CD and development security operation pipelines. Stay curious about emerging tech front-end like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud, DevSecOps, and testing automations is one of the day-to-day tasks that you will be doing as an engineering intern at PHI. If I talk about the things that you should know before applying this job, like basic things like Linux basics, networking, system designing fundamentals, and distribution system concepts. These are the things that in engineering field you have studied at your college days, and for that they have also mentioned a platform engineer role and understand the concept of end-to-end platform services like container, serverless, ingress, load balancing, object store databases, IAM, and security controls. All these things are important for this platform engineer. If you are looking for AIML, you have to have knowledge of data cleaning, feature engineering, and model experimentation, assisting in evaluating machine learning model and accuracy and performance, and learn how the machine learning concept integrate to product workflows. So these are the things that are asking for a candidate in AIML role and development security operations. If I talk about, they are looking for a candidate who can learn and work with CI/CD pipelines like GitHub Actions, Jenkins, etc., Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud platform like AWS, Azure, GCP, and assist in basic automation and security practices like any listening, scanning, secret management, dependency checks. And if I talk about the last opportunity, they have like a test engineer, quality assurance engineer. So they are looking for a candidate who can participate in writing and executing test cases and learn about Jest, Cypress, Playwright, or similar testing frameworks and validate their user interfaces, flows, API responses, and test data. So these are the things they are looking for in quality assurance and test engineer. You can check it out which one of these opportunity like platform engineer, AIML, DevSec, quality you fit for it. So accordingly you can apply for that. And the location is of Bangalore also and Mumbai. So two locations are there, and you have to report like their chief information technology officer for this direct reporting. And yeah, that's all for this video. So today I have discussed about two internship, like one for uh, recently for freshers and one for students who are graduating in 2026. So that's all in this video. So if you like the video helpful, do subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friend who is also looking for a internship role in machine learning or full stack development. So that's all. See you next video.